Friction is a force which opposes relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It is a type of contact force. For example, when we try to push a heavy block kept on ground by applying some force, it does not move because friction acts on the block in the opposite direction. When we look under a microscope, even smooth-looking surfaces have irregularities present on them. These irregularities get interlocked and offer resistance when the surfaces try to move relative to each other. Static friction is a force that keeps an object at rest when we try to move it by applying an external force. With an increase in applied force, static friction increases to a limit, beyond which slipping starts. When a body begins to slide on the surface, the force exerted by the surface on the object is called sliding friction or kinetic friction. Rolling friction acts when an object rolls over a surface. In rolling, the surfaces in contact don't rub against each other as they do while sliding.